welcome to Option Achievers channels. If you are new to the channel members, please click on the subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, the bell icon will come. Just click on the bell icon and click all. If you go to the video sections, you have a lot of videos there. You can go through all the videos and watch one by one so that you will understand which one is suitable for you. Today we are going to see about bulk deals. So let us see where to get the bulk deals. Generally in nse.co.in we are getting this bulk deals only after market hours. You just go to product, then equities, then historical data, then bulk details. If you check, you can click for 1 day or past 7 days. So let us check how these big markets, like people who are all having 20 crore, 30 crore people, how they are making money, and how the retailers like us who is having just 10,000, 20,000 losing the money. Now let us check it. So here if you see on 26 October, the company XTX Markets LLP, this is the client who traded on the symbol just dial. What they did, they bought 3,81,923 quantity at the average price of 632.80. To buy this much, they need at least 24 crore and 16 lakhs. In case if they want to use the full cash. In case if they use the trading methodology like how we are doing now, even our local clients who are all having just for 10,000, they can trade for 50,000 or 1 lakh, which means 1:10 ratio for intraday. So similarly, to buy this entire share, they need 24 crores and 16 lakhs. In case if they are doing some intraday margin, then they may need only less. Instead of 24 crore, they may need some 5 crore or something. So they just bought 632.80 as an average price, and on the same day 26 October they sold it for the price of 633.37. They almost sold all the quantity. If you see, the buying quantity and selling quantity is almost similar. So their profit point is very less, 632.80 and 633.37. So the difference between the selling price and buying price, it's an average price only, so that is very less. But even though it is just little 50 paise or something, the quantity that they bought is around 3,80,000. For that quantity multiplied by this 50 paise, which gives their profit at least 2,16,000 rupees as a profit. When they are investing somewhere else around 2 crore to 5 crore, their profit comes around 2,16,000. What will happen if some retail trader would have done some trading on just dial as an intraday with a stop loss? All their stop loss will get hit easily and they will be losing the money. And this kind of big people will be easily gaining the money. Whenever somebody is putting an order, their data will be stored there, and those real-time data can be bought with some price. As a local people, we don't buy the live data, but these people will buy the live data and they will be manipulating these things. As a local trader, you can only see last best 5 bits, best 5 selling price, buying price, selling price, only last 5, best 5, only that much only you can see it. But At the bottom they can also see how many people have put the order and how many are waiting for to buy, waiting for to sell. So by getting the real-time data, they were able to easily manipulate, and that is how those people are getting money. Now apart from just IL, let's look into some other stock also. On the same 26th October, this is RM DRIP, RM Drips and Springs Limited. This is the share name, and the big short, either DII or FII. The name is Omkar Rajiv Grade. That person bought it for 34,000 quantity for the price of 54.35, whereas he sold 54.33. So here they bought less but they sold more, which means either they would have had some more extra quantity even on the previous day or something. But here if you see, the buying price is 35 but the selling price is 33, which means they occurred a little loss, just 2 paise loss, which means their calculation was little wrong. So they end up in loss, but that is just 2 paise only. Now let us see the same company XTX Market again played on 27th also for the same just IL. The same company is taking again the same just IL. This time also they invested around same amount of crores, little extra, 4,15,000 quantity they traded. This time they traded 673.58 and they sold it 673.73. So again these people are getting profit. So it's very good thing when the bigger people who are all having big money, they can keep growing the money. Money accumulates to the people who have more money. And who is the loser? Local people who are all just trading for 10,000. I'm having 10,000. My brokerage is giving 1:10, so I can trade for 1 lakh. And in case if I get profit, the profit will be for 1 lakh. But nobody is thinking, in case if the loss is happened, the loss is also for the same 1 lakh. The loss may go on to 10,000 also, which means you invested at 10,000, your brokerage gave 1:10, so you traded for 1 lakh. You are thinking that for 1 lakh you will be getting a profit of 10,000, so your 10,000 will grow into 20,000. But when you trade something like this just IL, your 10,000 will go into zero, because when you are intraday you will be always putting the stop loss. So stop loss means the order will be placed in the system. So these people are getting the real-time data, and based on those analysis only these people are making money out of this. Again on 28th, same script just IL, same company XTX Market LP, buying price 669, selling price 670. So I don't need to tell you that again they are making profit over here, but this time the profit is almost 1 rupee. When a single company is playing on single script, you see the price from 632, from that it got increased to 673, from that again it got increased, it got little bit reduced to 669. But these people are doing only intraday, so they are easily making money, because to carry forward they need full cash, whereas if they want to do intraday like us, they also need only 1:10 ratio. But the thing is, you are facing 10,000 to 1 lakh, but those people are playing 5 crore to 20 crore. So still they will be making profit out of it. Now on 29, this XTX company left that Just Steel and took another company called Aarti Trucks Limited. So again this company is playing on another script, and this time also they are investing around 24 crores. They bought it 651 but they sold it 650, which means they also incurred some loss, but their loss is little minimal. Sometimes even they are getting losing end. So as they lost the money, again they came to Just Dial. This on 29th. Their buying price is 694.10 and their selling price is 694.72. So they are easily getting profit over here. So for this XTX Market LLP, this Just Dial is always giving profit. They made a little loss here, but they are easily recovering with this Just Dial. So in case if you think that you have to do some manipulations, then you have to think how much you have to buy and how much you have to sell it. See, for a price of 35 rupees they are buying it. Sorry, this is selling price, this is buying price. So 35 rupees buying, 35.09 selling means they are using this much quantity. So in a day, if you go to how much quantity is it traded, the entire quantity trading will be there. So entire quantity you have to buy it and entire quantity you have to sell it, not like partial quantity. Then only you will be able to make money. Similarly, you can see the data for even instead of 7 days, you can check for 2 weeks data and just click on get data, you will get it. Actually this is the old site. In case if you want a new site also, in new site you can download it in the Excel format. Here also download file in the CSV format is there. CSV means comma separated value. So you can download it and you can do the analysis over here. I just put it for 2 weeks. So for 2 weeks I am getting some data. Here if you check this AA Tech, it is traded by Mycare Financial Consultants Private Limited, 84,000 quantity at the price of 43.06. But this time they are not selling the entire quantity, just they are selling only 9,000 as little higher price. And after that they don't want to sell it immediately, they just wanted to carry forward it seems. Because on the 16th, still this Mycare, I'm checking further because on 16th so many things are happening. I don't think on 16th they sold it, so which means they are not doing intradaying. They are doing a delivery based company. So they bought bulk as a delivery, which means they are not using the margin as intraday margin, but they are doing a full cash trading so that they will be able to make profit out of it. Very interesting things. This XTX market, whenever they play, I think they want to always play with the Just Dial. They are easily able to get the data, it seems. And whenever they are playing with the Just Dial, they are easily getting profit. 487, 488.83. Easily they are getting profit out of it. Again on 19th, same Just Dial company, XTX Market LLP, 495.22, 495.72. Always they are making money in Just Dial very easily. On 20th, there are so many companies played on Just Dial. So one is Graven Research Company, 545.24, 545.47. so they got profit. And the second company, Numi Research Private Limited, 577.79, 578.13, they also got profit. And another company, Tower Research Capital Market India Private Limited, they got 550.57 and they sold it 551.96, they also got profit. These all things are happening on the single day, 28th October itself. And again finally, XTX Market LLP, they also bought it for 550.41 and they sold it for 550.58 and again they got profit. On a single day, almost 1, 2, 3, 4 companies traded on the single script and all the 4 companies made profit on Just Dial. By seeing this, I could understand one thing: anybody in intraday who plays in Just Dial, for sure they will be losing only, because when this kind of big shots are playing, most of the retailers will lose the money. It's very difficult to trade against these big players, because all these big players are using more than 5 crore capital, so it will be difficult to play. So when company is taking the same script again and again, so which means they are easily able to manipulate that script, so better you can avoid that kind of script. See, on 21st October, same Just Dial, same XTX Market LLP, buying price 592.82 and the selling price 597.59. Don't ask me how come this 5982 all coming. It's not just average price, because when they put a buy order, they never put a limit price, they always put a market price, so that whoever is having the stock to sell, all the stocks they will be buying that. So it is just an average price only, and they are looking a profit only for average things. Okay, so when you are doing intraday with some specific to some stocks, be careful, because these people are playing with big crores and crores, and we are just trading with 10,000 and 20,000 and we are losing the money easily, and those people are making the money easily. Okay, see again the same XTL's market on 22nd, same Just Dial, the bought price is 523.33 and selling price is 522.88. This XTX Market LLP never made any loss on this Just Dial script, and almost every day they are trading on the same script, but which time they are trading, that you have to be careful, otherwise you will be in loss. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that how we have to be very careful enough when we are doing the stop loss order, intraday order. So be careful, and then we will make money only in case if you are careful enough. If you are not careful enough, if you are playing in some small stocks where the liquidity is very less, if the liquidity is very less, these people, like with the 5 crores people, can easily manipulate these kind of stocks. When there are big stocks, you don't need to manipulate. You can see that all the small stocks only will be here, no other big stocks are here. If you see the price are almost very less price. See, from 14 rupees stocks to 400 stocks, 500 rupees stocks, only that much they are choosing it. They are not choosing anything more than 1000 rupees. You cannot see anybody is playing on Reliance or HDFC or some other big stocks. These people are playing only with the small stocks, because only with the small stocks the liquidity will be very less. When the liquidity is very less, if a person who is having 5 crore can easily manipulate this Just Dial or any other script, but they cannot manipulate any stocks, something like Reliance or HDFC. So if you want to do intraday, better do that kind of stocks, not this kind of less stocks. Okay, be careful. See you in the next good video. Bye bye.